Come on, it's spooky season. We have to go. Why are you just standing there? We have to go. Come on, we have to get sewing. We have a lot of projects to do. So I'm thinking about a dress design that looks like this, and maybe a fabric that looks like this. Since cutting out fabric can be a little bit tedious and time consuming and boring, I'm going to be using a little bit of magic to help me along the way. Now we will be sewing all of these together. Okay, I low-key feel like this might have a little too much orange. What do you think? The top is done, and now the skirt. You see, this is going to be the front. Sew it all together. I have them pleated already, so it's all ready to go. I just finished the pleats and they are so cute. So it's time to do the bottom now. It's going to be orange. Just finished the waistband part of it. I think it's looking pretty good. Now we will be sewing the lining into place.